So now I think we will present about the issues of the presentations of
I'm going to talk about the current issues we have here, and the main issue that we are having right here is that workers are not facing the standoffs correctly, which right now the managers are as encounters, and why this keeps on happening. And here our team is going to talk about the 4 solutions on how to reduce the error while keeping productivity high. So we are going to mainly talk about 2 ways, 2 sides, which is improving machinery and also improving the benefits that we give to the workers on how they can keep their productivity high and reducing error tolerance. I need to okay, so now I'll be talking about our first solution. Okay, so we know that by manually using the standoff set is a very tiring task for manual and stable. So our first solution to actually reduce human error and increase efficiency and productivity, which is by providing free copies for our workers. So in a sense that we're actually creating a greater workspace and a greater environment for our workers, because we know that a greater environment and a good workspace can actually reduces fatigue, stress, and reduces the pressure for our workers. So by providing coffee, we can ensure that our workers can work in a very focused state, so we can reduce human error and actually increase productivity, efficiency, and we can actually insert the standoff into the correct example. And we also know that a great environment can lead to a lot of good benefits, such as reduce body tension, reduce body stress, so the worker can have a better working experience. And now our one is the second solution. Now I'm talking about the second idea. So how the second idea works is will be, as shown in this video, will be highlighting the position of the alignment of using tape. So how this works is we'll use color tapes to show which color stand off and to be placed into the percentage. So how this works is, so the benefits of this idea is that it's cheap, it's low cost, it doesn't need much. You get someone to take the alignment board, and anyone can use the alignment board and place the standoff into the cassette. It is quick to apply, just take it, and it's also reusable. And once you're done with that standoff, you can change the color of the tape. It's very reusable. However, the downside to this idea is that it requires manual precision. What this means is, it's only a color visual guide if for everyone has parallax error, and it's going to cause them to cause the worker to miss the standoff, and they might misplace. And it's not always accurate one. So yeah, that's the tape idea. Now I'll pass the time to Aaron. Next, I'll be talking about our third idea, which is a more automated idea. So basically how it works is, in this video, it shows that when you place a standoff, it's going to be inaccurate. So what we have are 3 different color dispensers, which
smart dispensers. So basically, when the worker does take off one standoff from the dispenser, it will send a signal to the board for the LEDs on the board to light up and guide the worker to place the standoff inside the cassette tool. So since this is more automated, it makes the process much more easier for the worker and it's very easy to identify. Oh, sorry. Hello? Yes, check it out. Before, is it? Yes, I was saying yes. Okay, no worries, I'll repeat it. So basically, the idea of this third idea is basically we have three different color smart dispensers which have standoff inside them. And when the worker takes off the standoff from the dispenser, it will send a signal to the board to light up the LEDs. So on the guiding board itself, it will light up and guide the worker to place the standoff inside the cassette tool. So essentially, this is just an upgrade of equipment for the guiding board. So since it's more automated, it will cause less problems for the workers itself, and nobody has to manually place the tape as mentioned for the last idea. So, and it's very easy to identify. So let's say if the board has many different, very complex positions of the standoffs with different colors, so taping would be a hassle. So having these LEDs would be easier for mass producing these cassette tools. And since it's all color section, it's more clear to see where to place the standoffs. So yeah, that's it for idea 3. Now I'll pass it on to Oliver for idea 4.
For the last but not least, the idea for version design is automation. What is a better way to reduce human error than to reduce the human itself? So in this video, we're going to see a machine that our group designed. In this video, we can see a machine that is designed that goes through a 3-step process that will help directly automate the cassette tool instead of hiring workers. So step 1, the machine will dispense the cassette tool from the storage. Step 2, the standoff will be ejected directly into the cassette tool, not requiring any human assistance. And then at the last step, the hydraulic press down and secure each of the standoff. So I think we can see a design of the machine here. So the benefits are that it's more efficient, it produces 0 errors because it does not require any human interaction, and we are able to mass produce way faster. You can leave the machine running overnight and it can still work. Whereas human workers have to work from 9 to 5 and they rest. But the massive downside is that the machine might be very costly to produce. But that is also a small issue compared to the money you're giving. So that concludes all our top 4 ideas that we have. So do you guys have any questions?